At any given moment across 65 specialties and 10 provinces, we are connecting healthcare professionals, private practices, hospitals, and government in today's digital world. LocumPlus is a revolutionary new cloud-based platform designed by healthcare professionals exclusively for healthcare professionals who struggle with time management, delegation, hiring a talented team, finding medical real estate, keeping up with the medical and pharmaceutical industry, or just wanting to belong to a digital professional network. Our innovative, secure platform provides simplified ways to connect 24 hours a day, 7 days a week from the comfort of your home, office, or on the go. Expand your professional network through direct and group messaging. Collaborate on medical cases with colleagues from anywhere in our secure chat rooms. Share your knowledge and expertise to improve patient care. Looking to expand your team with talented new hires or in need of maternity leave coverage? Use our comprehensive system to review resumes, interview, and track top candidates under one roof. Looking for a new locum position but have limited time to research? Let us conduct the search for you. Simply select your search criteria and let us bring the results directly to your inbox. Create an account, upload your resume, and apply for jobs in a single click. Filter through job postings and receive customized recommendations based on your experience and skills. We will share updates and guide you through every step of the way. Ready to take the leap to selling or owning your own practice? Let us help with your transition. Take advantage of our extensive LocumPlus network to find a buyer, seller, or lessee that is aligned with your goals. Connect directly with pharmaceutical and companies to order samples and to obtain up-to-date drug information online. As a technology company, we're designing an innovative, integrated network to bring healthcare professionals closer and help them stay connected on the go. LocumPlus. Enjoy the difference.